Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking plantains on a grill. So first thing I'm going to do is preheat the grill. So let me turn it on high. And close the cover. So it's going to be preheating while I prepare the plantains. So now what I'm going to do is cut off the ends and then slice them in half, and I will keep the peel on. So let me cut off the ends of the plantains. And now slice them in half like this. So that's how we're going to be grilling them. We'll keep the peel on. And now I'm going to brush them with oil and sprinkle the seasonings. So I'm using olive oil. So the oil helps to keep them from sticking. Now the peel side, it won't stick to the grill, but this side without the oil, it might stick. So, and also oil makes them tastier. You just need a little bit to brush a thin layer. Now let's sprinkle with salt and pepper, and you can use any seasonings you like or no seasonings at all. I like my plantains savory for this recipe, but if you like them sweet, then you can omit salt and pepper and just use other seasonings such as cinnamon and drizzle a little bit honey when it's cooked. Totally up to you. But let's sprinkle the salt and pepper. So now I'm going to put plantains on the grill. So let's open the grill, and I'm going to turn the heat down to low. Now this works for my grill, it's pretty powerful, so when I cook vegetables I like to use low, but if your grill is not as hot, then you can just use medium or medium low, whatever works. So now let me put the plantains on the grill. So I'm going to add them, put them first cut side down. And now I'm going to close the cover, and I will check them in 5 minutes. So now the plantains have been cooking for 5 minutes, and let's open the grill and take a look. So just turn over them and just see if they got good grill marks. Yeah, looks great. And now if yours don't have enough grill marks, you can always keep them there for longer. So I'm just going to carefully flip them over. Perfect. So nicely grilled, and now we're going to cook them on the other side so they become tender. So let's close the cover, and I will check on them in 5 minutes. So now plantains have been cooking for 5 minutes on the second side, so it's 10 minutes total. And let's take a look. So they should be cooked, but you know, just to make sure that they're tender enough to your liking, just carefully pierce one with a fork. Yeah, that's cooked. And if yours is, you know, too hard, you can always cook it some more. But they're done here, so I'm going to turn off the grill. Look how good they look. Let's take them off the grill. Perfect. Perfectly grilled plantains. That was so easy. This is a great way of cooking them. So now, you know, if you'd like, you can remove the peel. Oh, they're hot, but see that peel separates very easily. Or you can just keep them in the peel. If it wasn't so hot, that would be much easier to do, but I just wanted to show you how easily the peel comes off. Perfect. Look at these grilled plantains. Just looks so good. I'm so excited about trying them. I love plantains. So let me cut a piece. And let's try it. So good. They have a perfect texture. Amazing. You will love making plantains on the grill. They are so tasty, so healthy, and so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!